Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products on the market to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of fitness with a product that's been making waves in the industry. Evolution Advanced Nutrition Fit and Strong Whey Protein Powder. If you're looking to pack on muscle and gain weight the healthy way, you're in the right place. Let's start with the basics. Evolution Advanced Nutrition Fit and Strong Whey Protein Powder is not your average protein supplement. It's specifically formulated to support muscle growth, enhance performance, and aid in optimal muscle recovery. And here's why it stands out from the rest. First off, this protein powder boasts a whopping 25 grams of protein per serving. Protein is essential for building and maintaining muscle mass, making this product an ideal choice for those looking to bulk up. But it's not just about the protein content. Evolution Fit and Strong is also enriched with branched-chain amino acids, including leucine, isoleucine, and valine. These amino acids are crucial for building and repairing muscle fibers, as well as reducing fatigue and improving overall performance. And here's the best part. Evolution Fit and Strong is made from 100% grass-fed whey protein isolate, ensuring a pure and high-quality source of protein. Plus, it's organic, soy-free, gluten-free, and sugar-free, making it suitable for a wide range of dietary preferences, including keto and low-carb diets. Now, let's talk about versatility. Whether you prefer to mix it with water, milk, or your favorite beverage, Evolution Fit and Strong blends effortlessly, giving you endless options for consumption. From protein-rich milkshakes to creamy smoothies, the possibilities are endless. And let's not forget about taste. With its natural vanilla flavor, Evolution Fit and Strong delivers a delicious and satisfying experience with every sip. Say goodbye to chalky and artificial-tasting protein powders. This one hits the mark. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the flavor, quality, and effectiveness of Evolution Advanced Nutrition Fit and Strong Whey Protein Powder. From helping them reach their fitness goals to keeping them satisfied and full throughout the day, this product has garnered praise across the board. So, if you're serious about gaining weight and building muscle, look no further than Evolution Advanced Nutrition Fit and Strong Whey Protein Powder. It's the ultimate companion for anyone on their fitness journey. That's all for today's review. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews and recommendations. Until next time, stay fit and stay strong.